Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a talk through updated everyday makeup routine. It's been a minute since I've done an everyday makeup routine, so I want to just go ahead and share with you guys what's been going on with my updated makeup routine. So that's what we're going to be doing on this channel today. If you're new, you have three options. You have a subscribe button here for your mobile device, subscribe button here on your desktop, and right here in the middle of the screen. So usually I am more of a neutral person. If you're new to my channel, I am all about neutral. You'll catch me every once in a while when it comes down to colors, but I feel like, you know, I am just that neutral person. Don't get me wrong, it's okay to be all about the neutrals, trust me. So we're gonna start from scratch and I'm gonna explain why I use each product. Hopefully this video doesn't turn out too long, but I am going to fast forward a couple of steps because it takes forever. Okay, so the first product that we are going to be doing is moisturizing our skin. The Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. If you're new, I use this pretty much almost every time I apply makeup. It's my go-to. It sets the tone. That's how I see it as. It's a tone setter. It really is not, but that's like how I feel about this product. It allows my foundation to glide on very, very smoothly, and I feel like if I do not have this on, my skin, my whole skin routine, foundation routine isn't complete. But you can wear this alone and you can wear this with makeup or without, and they really recommend you to apply this 3 times a day. So this is my Clean and Clear. So while we're allowing our moisturizer set in place and absorb whatever I need, because I do have dry skin, just to let you know, I am a dry skin individual. So I am going to go ahead and focus on my babies up here, which are my brows. So my utensils that I use are still kind of the same. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon in Simmer Brown. It's like this, and I use the e.l.f. Professional Eyelash and Brow On. It's like that. Clean up around the brows, I definitely use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan because it's like a very neutral color and I feel like it's great. So I'm just going to do my brows really, really quickly. I do have a brow routine, so I'm just going to just start by doing my brows and then finish the rest of the application off camera and then come back and finish my actual face. I told you guys it would just take forever. It would be like almost 10 minutes if I actually filmed myself doing my brows on camera. It just isn't called for that long, but I got them done. I've been going through phases. Like I could tell throughout my YouTube years. I at one point wasn't doing brows, and at one point I wasn't doing lashes. Now I'm doing both. I have been really obsessed with this LA Colors Nude palette, and I use LA Colors pretty much daily. And before I even started doing YouTube, I was LA Colors fanatic for about a while now. So the palette itself has these gorgeous shades, and you can just look at it like. So I love using this pretty warm brown. This pretty brown is definitely a great way of starting out your crease colors. So I'm just going to be taking this LA Colors, of course, why not? I'm going to be taking this LA Colors brush and I'm going to be applying it into that brown. And to the crease. How do you guys feel about that Bruno Mars song with Cardi B? I like, in my opinion, I love how they got the whole 90s vibe to the whole song, and I just love the video because of the 90s theme. I am a 90s kid, so I love the whole vibe. I was born in 91 if you're curious. If you're curious, okay. so I'm like 26. So, but I like Cardi B's rap in the song as well, and with that rap, it kind of reminds me so much of, I mean, I don't know how I can say this. It gives me a Left Eye vibe. Even though I know that Left Eye is a legend, a true legend, it just gives me vibes, like all hands down vibes of Left Eye. About the Bruno song, Trippin' and Finesse. I cannot get that part out for nothing. Like, I'm that one person, it'll take a while to get the chorus, and then it'll be like 8 months within a year and I finally got the chorus down pat. Isn't that sad? Same brush, and I am going to take, let's see, this darker brown that's in the palette, and I'm going to apply it right up under the brown that we just applied. I love like a little bit more definition into the looks now. Videos way too much, and that's why like I've seen a lot of neutral looks, and it just really like, see, now I want you guys to see how it looks here, and then on this eye you can just add another color to the lid, to the brow, and it'll be more of a wearable. But this is everyday for me, especially like when I want to apply it to the outer V. It's like very much everyday for me. No lie, it's everyday for me. My two favorite crease colors right now going on with the look here. Okay, loving it. Now I'm just gonna go back into that brown that we used in the first color, and I'm just gonna apply it right up under the next. It's like I'm layering my shadows. Which looks like this. I'm gonna be taking a nude color, that's second to the last nude color, and I'm gonna be applying it to my brow bone. That is so gorgeous. Love it. Love it. And I also apply that same color right into the inner corner. Usually I apply like a shimmer shade, but since it's more of a matte shade, I just went ahead and applied it to the inner corner. And then I'm going to really focus on blending those harsh lines a little bit. Just blend, blend, blend. The Diamond Cosmetics retractable eyeliner in black. For mascara, I'm just going to be taking the X-Lash mascara first, and I'm going to pop on some lashes off camera. And alright, so I do have on my foundation. I did kind of set the areas where I know I need to be set at. Even though I'm dry skin, I still actually set my face. So now we're gonna focus on contouring. Which video was that? Best of Beauty 2017 video. I am going to contour with this shade right here from the BH Cosmetics Contour and Blush Palette. I'm just going to move my hair out of the way and then continue to contour. Contour the places I need to contour. Take the second color, which is right here. I'm just going to apply it where I usually apply concealer, but I am not going to be using concealer today. So I just take like a lot of powder and I just apply it to the areas to where I look like I have concealer on to highlight. Well, it is really needed. Whew. And it looks that good. Okay, it looks NYC. You cannot find these in stores anymore, but you can find them on Amazon and also on eBay for sure. So I like to use is the Color Workshop bronzer. Give it some glow. And number 4 is like a really nice peachy blush. Peachy nude blush at that. I love a good peachy nude blush. It's like pure gold for me. On to my lips. See, I normally go for a nude lip or a little bit bolder. Since lately it's like my whole thing of both lips are growing on me. So I'm just gonna take Illusion. And that should complete the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a massive thumbs up and let me know what are your everyday makeup products. And I gotta go, and I will see you soon.